Sandra Crathern, Inner Vision, talking about health and wellbeing today. So today's is about self-confidence, and I've just this second done a vlog on finding balance, and I was talking a little bit about when you're in your best place, you know, you're much better at finding balance, and this is sort of like a lead on. And for confidence as well, you know, I just feel so much more confident when I have sort of certain ingredients in place. And one of them, as always, is that I look after myself the best I can. When my body's in physical great shape, you know, I'm in a normal, healthy sized body, and I'm eating clean, healthy food most of the time and drinking enough water and getting enough rest, then I'm much more confident in myself because I'm portraying something that is not only feeling good, but looking well. And I think they're very important factors when we're talking about confidence. If I'm very lethargic and very tired and haven't rested enough, and I haven't really eaten very properly, I haven't eaten really properly, or I've grabbed meals or eaten sporadically, or I haven't been able to sort of communicate my feelings or what's going on, all those things affect my confidence. And the more stressed I get and the less I manage my stress, again, the less confident I feel. So to build confidence, I think it starts with little things, and that's self-care to start with, and really being realistic about my expectations of myself, being confident in oneself if you love something that you do, whether it be your work or whatever it is you spend most of your time doing. And I think to stand one's ground in one's own space is very important for me particularly. I have beliefs and values that maybe aren't the same as other people's, and I have to trust myself. You know, there's some things my husband and I disagree on, and I have to agree to disagree, but I still need to stand within my own truth. So the better you take care of yourself, the more confident you'll feel, and the more you stand by what you believe in, the more confident I think you feel as well. So I think it's just sort of like a knock-on effect, and it just grows and grows. But people often think if you're very self-confident, you're a bit egotistical. And maybe some people find that to be the case with me. But I don't believe I am egotistical. I think I'm quite a humble person, and I make lots of mistakes. But I just want to help the world be a happier, healthier place. I guess that's what my aim is. And I have to do the work myself before I can help others. So go out there, be confident, and say it as it is, respectfully, and just be the best person you were meant to be.